It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day. As you guys can see, we have an unboxing that we're gonna do. Not really touch too much on the shoe, just unbox it for you guys, as well as we have a sneaker right here. No, this is not my size. You guys can see this is a smaller size. But this shoe right here came out. I wasn't able to get my hands on it. Shout out to my bro Willis. Man, he has been doing his thing with his sneakers. He just started reselling shoes and has some great prices. I'm going to link him down below. He actually hit on a pair of these, but he ended up buying another pair because he sold that pair and he had to get the right size because he had the incorrect size. So he bought another pair of these, and I was like, bruh, let me check these shoes out to see if it's really worth me paying to play for this pair right here. But first, we gonna talk about this unboxing. Now, I got these in yesterday, and I was doing a lot of stuff yesterday, and you see, I ain't gotta do all that. I can just tear that junk. Got these in from Nike sneakers. I'm gonna go ahead and crack that thing on open like that, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Get this box up out of here. I still don't see why Nike is still using that tape, but oh man, so that's a slight little tear right there to the box, man. I don't know what's up with that, Nike, but y'all already know, man. Woo! Them things smelling good. Got my double up in on the smoke gray ones. These things are just, man, these things are fire, y'all. I really think that this was a great sneaker to come out with. The colorway is dope. As you guys know, if you guys didn't see my review, I'm letting you guys know again, I call these things the Chicago, the Barons, because of the upper heel area and everything. I don't even need the box right here. I'm probably not gonna edit none of this out either, y'all. So right here we have the Chicago to Barons, aka the smoke grays. This is a really, really nice shoe. I'm glad that they decided to put the white laces with them. If you guys watch my full detail reviewing on foot, oh man, this pair is softer than the pair I got from Shoe Palace, but really, really, really fuego shoe, man. Stupid fire. Love the materials on here. Yes, this pair is super softer. Even the toe box is better on this pair. But that just goes to show you about the quality control. Let me see what the date is on these. Okay. I got another video I'm gonna be dropping probably tomorrow, talking a little bit more in depth on this pair. I know they came out last week, but I just want to give a little bit of advice on these and just touch on these a little bit more, just because I got something that I want to share and get it off my chest with you guys. So stay tuned for that. But here is my double up that I hit on sneakers. So that's the unboxing for today. Now getting into these bad boys. So my bro Willis, he ended up bringing these by on Monday. And he ended up buying this pair. Like I said, he bought the wrong size and he bought another pair, and these are the tie-dye ones, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get the other one out the box. So my bro ended up purchasing these off of StockX. As I stated earlier, he purchased the wrong size. He went back and grabbed the right size, and I really wanted to see these tie-dye ones in person to see how the materials were. This is a size 8 in women's. They actually straight. The toe box on this pair is nice. I do like the fact that I didn't know that they had that little silk kind of like lining in the inside right there. I think they did this too on the black toes. Kind of gives off the black toe vibes right there. I'm not really big into these laces that come inside of the tie-dye ones, and I wanted to bring these to the channel just so I could find out, because I didn't really talk about this shoe. How do you guys feel about the tie-dye ones? Was this a hit or a miss for you guys? Was it a cop or a drop? Either way you look at it, how did you guys feel about these? I think that this sneaker is really clean. I like the fact that the tie-dyes are a little bit different on all of them. This is the first time I've been able to hold like the adult size. I did get to look at like the baby pair, but I'm just like, dang, do I really want to drop $360, I think it is, on these? And y'all know I love retro ones. Colorway is slick. I mean, nothing too crazy to say about these sneakers. Black bottom right here, toe cap area. You have that tie-dye going up the lacing, up to the back of the heel and ankle area, mixed in with that black. You have the inner and outer panels with that white, with the black check, black toe box. As I said, I do not like the laces that come inside of these. This right here is a shoe that I think I might get it, man. I might get it. I just don't see myself, man, I really don't see myself passing these up now that I see them in hand. and I really just, you know, I want to know what y'all's thoughts are on these. So I might end up pulling the trigger on these. If I do, you guys know I will bring it to the channel. Definitely got more reviews coming for you guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna be going after the This Is Trash Vote colorway. It's like the gray Vote colorway. I'm gonna ping a picture right here. I'm gonna be going after those tomorrow. Hopefully I will hit, fingers crossed. I will be keeping you guys posted if I hit. Tomorrow I'll be dropping a video about these and talking about these a little bit in depth. I have something that I want to share with you guys and get off my chest, as I stated earlier. So stay tuned to the channel. Appreciate all the love and support that I continue to get from each and every one of you all. Comment down below if you guys picked up this pair right here. If you guys picked up the tie-dye ones, I know that this is just a clean shoe. I really like the tie-dye on it, the effects of it. I think that gives it a nice touch. If I'm not mistaken, this might be the first pair of tie-dye Jordans. I can't think of another tie-dye. This would be the first tie-dye that I get, if I get it, and if I pull the trigger. I do have a bid right now on StockX for $300. They were going for like $4 something, and they've dropped down to like $340, $350-ish. And I know by the time you add the processing fee, the shipping, and the tax, they're gonna be close to $4. So I'm trying to get these for around about $300 right now. It's your boy DaRetroWizKid. Peace, love in Laguna Beach, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, dead stressed and I don't even try. Take all my Jordans and forces away from me and watch a young nigga still kill it. Alexander McQueen on my toe, you know I'm ill with it, deal with it. Hype beats can't keep up. They take a picture, then they take it back, and I really don't give two fucks. I'm putting you down, just telling you facts. I'm putting you down, just telling you facts. I'm putting you down. DaRetroWizKid.